Hello, good morning. Hi, hey son. This is going to be a video showing you some of the different party styles that you can expect in Thailand. Everything from partying in the biggest bar streets like Bangla Road in Patong, to sitting in a bar with a live band and having a nice time. Partying on the beach, this time in Phi Phi Island. Going crazy in a Katoi bar, it's a ladyboy bar. With most of the girls actually being boys from the beginning, and it's all great fun. So one of the big advantages, I think, to be in Thailand, and if you want to go out, is you don't really need to think of when it comes to, can I go into this place because what age is it in there? It's usually actually mixed everywhere. I would say one not exception, but it's those disco places like Banana in Patong and Illusion in Patong. Those are, you are more than welcome to go there, but I don't see the fun anymore. Maybe I'm getting old. But because that noise level they have is take your decibel meter on your phone with you, and you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to cover those today. If you want to have a conversation inside Illusion, I say good luck with that, because you're going to scream to each other, and you're not going to hear what the other one says anyway. So it's really not my kind of place. I like the bars. I like the beach parties. I like just sitting in a rock bar, having a good time. I like Bangla Road actually. Beer bars, sit down, look at people, and just chill out. That's one of my favorite things to do when it comes to partying. We are also planning to go to Vietnam in a couple of weeks, but before that I'm going to cover some more topics for you. Coming up soon in a video close to you. See you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this kind of party compilation, and maybe it gives you a hint of what you can expect when you come to Thailand in forms of different kind of partying and then just chillaxing. You have a subscribe button, a clickable thing somewhere around the video. Just click it and follow me. Me and Annika and Wild and Crazy. There's going to be more.